Magandang araw mga kaparikoy. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel at Nil Media TV. Mga kaparikoy, araw ng Sabado ulit ngayon. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magbibinta tayo ulit ng mga kalakal natin. Kalakal ibig sabihin ay mga recycled na bottle. Ayan. Ayan na mga recycled bottle natin ngayong araw na ito. Bilangin natin, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So, apat na balot tayo ngayong araw na to. So, palagay ko ay nasa $10 lang siguro yan. So, ngayong araw ng Sabado, kami lang ni Chloe. At silang si Mrs. at si Haki ay may pasok ngayong araw na to. So, balik ulit tayo sa araw-araw nating ginagawa tuwing weekend. So, kasama natin ulit si Chloe. So, after nito ay magkakape kami ni Chloe. Okay, tara! Ito yung mga basura natin. Basura pero may pera sa basura. Tapos ko lang magbenta ng mga ano natin, mga lata at saka recycle bottle. So, ito na yung pinaghirapan natin. Ayan. Ganun lang ka-easy. May $11 na ako sa tatlong ano na yun. Oh, di ba? So, $10. Kami ni Chloe, lalabas kami mamaya. Hello, mga kaparikoy. Ay, kami ngayon ni Chloe ay pupunta kami ngayon sa Italian Center na naman. Magkakape muna bago ang activities namin na naman. So, kahahatid ko lang kay Haki ngayong araw na to dahil siya ay may pasok. So, ngayon ang gagawin namin dalawa ay mag-inquire kami mamaya sa recreation center dito sa malapit sa amin. Mag-inquire kami kung ano yung mga gagawin niya ngayong summer na to dahil dito ay summer na. Okay. Siya nga pala, may pangkape pala tayo ngayong araw na to. Nagbinta tayo ng mga kalakal. So, ang nabintahan natin at ang amount lang ay $10. So, $11 pala. Pero $10 na yung gagamitin natin na pangkape. Nandito na naman tayo sa ating paboritong kapihan ng bayan. Diba? Ayan. Ayan na, may bablogs na naman tayo mamaya niyan. Kung ano-anong mga activities natin na ngayong araw na to. At saan kami makakarating ni Chloe. At bukas na ang kanilang mga oops. O yan o. O yan. O yan. Ayan na, mayroon pala akong space dito. Ayan ang maganda. Ayan. Kita niyo yan? Yan ang mga yan ang mga nila ngayong araw na to. Ayan. Okay, so araw na to, Italian Center. Ayan, yan ang pinili na yan. Okay. Hello, mga kaparikoy. Nasa labas kami ngayon ng Italian. At bukas na yung parang beranda nila. You can remove this one. So you can see it. So maaraw na ngayong araw na to. All good? Okay. So maaraw na nga ngayong araw na to. At saka napakagandang klima ngayon. Parang nasa ano ka lang, tama ang lamig at saka yung init. So magkahalo. Mostly na in-order ko dito. Itong sausage roll nila. Spicy. Masarap. Para sa kalaman sa lahat, ang sausage roll dito ay parang ang laman niya, nasa Pilipinas. Yung mga nasa Pilipinas, ang laman nito ay parang meatloaf sa atin. Ganun na ganun, meatloaf. Yan. Nilagay lang niya sa roll. Ito na yung tubig niya. Smile. Smile. Okay. Yeah. Papunta na kami ngayon sa recreation center kung saan mag-inquire kami ng mga activities ni Chloe ngayong summer. Tanga. Okay. Munti ka na pala magbanggaan dito kanina. Pare-parehong tanga. Pare-pareho silang umatras. Magkabila ang side. Ayan, muntik na. Ewan ko lang kung tama ba yung isa. Banggaan. Pare-pareho silang umatras. Di ba sila tanga? Diyan tayo pupunta ngayon. Collingwood Recreation
Guess that's what I get for leaning into the best friend. Now I've got one more accent, two less and two for hiding. Ignored all of my reasons for running far from my feelings. Now I'm
Hello mga kaparikoy. Hindi kami natuloy doon sa recreation dahil may laro sila. Si Chloe. May laro silang hockey ngayon doon sa loob. But hockey game lang palang meron sila doon. Oh, yeah. We're not allowed to mag-ingay. So, quiet lang daw. Tapos, napunta kami sa library ngayon. So, ganito yung library nila dito.
Video, what do you think this
Yeah.
cute little cat
Kulay na lang siya.
is? Comment in
Kukulay
this
ka.
video.
Okay. Hello mga kaparikoy. Ito na ang gawa ni Chloe. Ito, pakita mo. Ayan, nag-drawing na sila. Ayan.
15?
Oh, 15 what?
15, 11.
11? What? 11?
15?
11, 15. Okay. Yeah, go.
How many books read?
What? How many books? This one.
Read.
Read. Okay. Okay, so start. What's that? What's inside? Okay. Oh. Read it. Every single word. Come on. What's that? Yeah. What's that? That one. Ano yan?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Okay.
Today?
Today.
Tonight.
Tonight?
On Sunday.
Usually?
Usually.
Yeah? This one?
Test.
Yeah. Yes.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Today.
Tonight?
Tonight.
Usually?
Yesterday.
Usually?
Usually.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Good. Ayan, ganito ang library na dito. At ang library dito sa Canada ay kompleto sila lahat dito. Gaya ng computer, hindi lang libro, palaruan. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to my mini library. And let's go in the front. Okay, so let's go in the front. Come on.
Yeah, it's a front.
This is the back. This
Okay.
is the front.
Yeah, okay.
This is the Hi guys, so this is my mini library in a library, so let's come in. So here we are. So this is the entrance. This is where you get paid, and now let's come in.
Come in.
Let's move to the other side. And this what it looks like inside. So this is for people to lay on, or babies if they're gonna rock to sleep, because it does this. This can be used as a pillow. And over here, yeah, this is where you can sit and learn for kids. And then this is when you come in, you're gonna. It's like a mat. And this is for kids to slide if they want to play. Kids can go in here, play with this and this. And also this thing when there's no baby on it and there's no baby in the library, a mini library. You can just go, kid can go like this and then just do this. If they're getting asleep, or if they're 4 years old or 5 years old. And this is the table here. So the kids sit here, and then their parents can have their childs here. And let me show you around the library, because I went in the library a few times. So this is the library that I first created. Let's go. Okay, so this is the books in the library.
Yeah.
The books over here. This is the desk and chairs and the train. We're gonna read the book. My precious little girl, Daddy loves you very much.
Next.
Aww. You are the most beautiful daughter Daddy could ever have. Oh, so cute.
Nice. Good.
You are smart and kind.
You're smart and kind. Okay.
Just like me at school.
Wow.
Because I listen to the teacher.
Go ahead.
You are my best,
Right.
brightest star.
Okay. Next. Next.
Does it say or
Yeah. Go ahead.
there is no one more I am Is this
Important.
important to me?
To me.
To me, ang dang.
Yeah.
You, my sweet girl.
Very good. Good job.
Let's say precious.
Yeah. Again.
You are so precious to me.
Good job.
Oh,
Right. And
you are my princess, my joy and my happiness.
very good. Good job. Next.
I love
Spending.
spending time with you. Aww, look at
Oh
that.
yeah. Like
I
me.
like art.
Right. Okay. Spending time with you. Okay. Next.
We'll have a tea party and no, and invite your dolls.
Dolls. Good job. Next. Next.
I will always or
Protect.
you.
Okay. Next. Next.
If you all fall, I will pick
You.
you up and wipe away your tears.
Good job. Next. It's finished. Zelda. Next.
I love your
Love.
laugh. I took a tutu skirt and the way you dance so beautifully.
Very good. Good job. Next.
I don't even have to sound it
Oh
out.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Next.
My favorite thing
Yeah.
is giving you piggyback rides.
Very good.
I love to spin
Yeah.
with you as we sing and giggle.
Okay. Next. Almost done. Last page. Okay. Go ahead. Last page.
There's so much to learn with you. I will do my best to make you happy as you grow.
Good job. Speak now.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna go.
Don't touch the glass. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Dad, can I put on my jacket? Hi guys, now let's meet this woman. Hi. Hello? 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 Are you frozen? Are you scared? Let's just go. Bye.
Ayan na mga kaparikoy. So, natapos na yung araw namin dito sa recreation center. Hindi kami natuloy sa pag-inquire dahil ang nasa loob lang daw sa recreation center namin dito ay hockey games lang. So, wala nang ibang games. So, since na magkatabi lang yung library, ayan o, library. Yan, library. Ayan, ito yung recreation center yan. Yan. So, nilakad na lang namin. Then, nag-library na lang kami ni Chloe. So, para sa kaalaman sa lahat, sa mga taga Pinas, ang library dito sa Canada ay napaka ganda.
Daddy, my jacket's flying.
Kasi accessible lahat. So, accessible siya lahat
Daddy, my
in the sense na public siya. So, lahat ng kailanganin ng bata, gaya ng books, computer, mga educational games, palaruan, sliding, tapos may rintahan din siya ng mga music video. So, lahat na pwede nyo rintahan ay siya nga pala, hindi pala rinta tawag dyan. Chloe, dito tayo. Libre lang pala yan, hindi naman pala rinta. So, pwede mo ring hiramin, pero susulit nyo lang yung mga box, at saka yung mga movies, musics. Oh, Chloe. May mga music din. Yeah. Okay. So, libre din magpi-print doon. Print ng mga anik-anik. Gaya ng gusto nyong mag-print ng ano sa school nyo. Activities. So, dyan pwede kayo mag-print. Pwede kayo manghiram ng libro din sa mga high school. Yan. Elementary, lahat. Yan. Hiram sila ng libro dyan. Libre lang yan. Then isusuli lang. Magbibigay lang sila ng days. Halimbawa, 2 weeks. So, magbibigay lang sila ng 2 weeks. Ayan, pwede mo nang ibalik. O, 1 buwan. Pwede mo ibalik yon na libre. Yung iba nga, hindi na binabalik eh. Pero, magbabayad ka ng penalty. Chloe, come over this side. Yun. Ganyan lang mga kaparikoy. So, maraming salamat ulit sa pakikinig, pagsubaybay sa aking mga videos. Sana mag-subscribe kayo at para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos at pang-araw-araw na buhay Canada. See you guys.
Subscribe.